and how is it going? I hope you had a good Halloween. It is time to take a look at 4 areas that I'm watching on my charts as I trade. These are areas coming at you on the NQ. Let's go ahead and take a look at these 4 key levels and start off by going 3 lines down, which is going to bring us to 14640. This was an area of support that was lost and then gained as resistance, and currently the bulls are trying to break through it, but so far unsuccessful. I'll keep my eyes on this, and if we do get rejected off of it and go down, my eyes are going to drop us down to 14185. This is the lower area of support that's actually giving the bulls the strength that they've been holding since hitting this bottom. Now, if we do break above that 14640, we have 2 areas above it. One is at 14850, higher area of resistance that gave the market the strength it needed to break that 14660 as support. And then above it even further, we have 15040. This is a higher area of resistance that could definitely spell some troubles for the buyers. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.